Testing 1, 2, 3. They were made yesterday. Let's have a little look, see how they're doing. Beautiful. Nice. Okay, cool. Let's use this one. What do they call it? A 2-day ferment or something like that? My phone is 6 inches. All right, let that sit there for a few minutes. I did a leaf blower, cleaned out the patio. Let's take out the stone and give it a clean. Ah.
That's suspicious. That's weird.
Okay. Oh, that kind of sucks. Not in a good way. Comes off very easily. It's just ash. But I don't want it coming off on the base of my pizza. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. There we go. Trying to get the exposure just right so you can see what's going on inside. A little bit of polenta. We don't want it sticking. Look at this beautiful bit of dough I made yesterday. Now you don't want to drown your dough. Let's see how far we go with 2 tablespoons. Grab yourself a fistful of mozzarella and throw it on there like that, okay? That'll spread out when the heat comes onto it. We're going to need 1 or 2 slices. Probably just 1, maybe just 1. So fold it up, right? Tearing, I find, gives a nice kind of visual appeal. A lot of people are like, they're not into the processed square meat. I don't blame them. Remember the first time I went to California, I got something like this and the memory stuck with me. Now let's just grab a little handful, a bit more cheese, right? And let's put that on top of the ham as well. It's gonna look good. Now, Domino's won't do this because it would take forever to make a pizza, but we've got the time, right? And if you've got the time to watch this, you've got the time to like, subscribe, share, comment, whatever, right? So let's take it out into the garden. Actually, see if it's free. All right, see the way it's free? Cool. One more jiggle. Okay, Google. 30-second timer.
Second timer for 30 seconds.
I'm going to lower the temperature down. Setting it to 6 o'clock on the dial as you look at it. All right, let's have a little look, see how we're getting on. So, we have burnt it a little bit on that side. Let's turn it around and pop it back in. Let's have a little look. Oh, Jesus. Let's put it in for another few seconds. It's hot today. It's like 30 degrees. All right, let's see how this is doing. And that looks pretty good. Well, apart from the burnt bit on the right-hand side, I think it looks pretty good. See the base. Base is nicely cooked. Now, personal pizza, you cut it into 4 pieces. This one. Nice bit of pull. The base does look good. You can knock off the excess polenta if you don't like it.
I didn't know that I was starving till I tasted you.
That's hot. Not as hot as the pictures your mother sends me, but pretty hot. So I'd recommend it. It's good. Shame about the stone breaking, but the pizzas are good. Alright, until tomorrow.